Hi everyone, I'm Michael Cortesis from the Cortesis Real Estate team. We're at 16 Talbot Drive in Port Hope. This lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse is situated in a great area on a quiet street and has got a private backyard. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you enter the open concept kitchen. Overlooking the formal dining room and family room. The primary bedroom is spacious. It has a walk-in closet with laundry and a 3-piece ensuite effect bath. There's an additional main level bedroom. The lower level has a very large rec room and a 3-piece bath. A great feature is the deck and the private backyard.